1. Which country has announced to become the first European nation to issue digital Schengen visas for visitors to the 2024 Paris Olympics? A. Switzerland. B. France. C. Germany. D. Netherlands. Answer: B. France. 2. Which city will host the 2028 Olympics? A. Paris. B. Rome. C. Los Angeles. D. Geneva. Answer is C. Los Angeles. 3. How many medals did India win at the Special Olympics World Games 2023? Answer is B. 202. 4. Which country hosted the Special Olympics World Games 2023? A. India. B. Japan. C. Germany. D. USA. Answer is C. Germany. 5. Which country hosts the Special Olympics World Summer Games? A. India. B. Germany. C. France. D. Australia. Answer is B. Germany. 6. What is the theme of International Olympics Day 2024? A. Together, for a peaceful world. B. Let's move and celebrate. C. Together for a better world. D. Moving forward, united by emotion. Answer is B. Let's move and celebrate. 7. Who has become the first Indian male wrestler to qualify for the 2024 Paris Olympics? A. Veem Singh. B. Aman Sehrawat. C. Dinkarav Shinde. D. Uday Chand. Answer is B. Aman Sehrawat. 8. Who achieved India's first rowing quota for the Paris Olympics? A. Balraj Pamwar. B. Savarn Singh. C. Arjun Lal. D. Jaswinder Singh. Answer is A. Balraj Pamwar. 9. Special Olympics Bharat (SOB) is recognized by which ministry? A. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. B. Ministry of Home Affairs. C. Ministry of Power. D. Ministry of Defense. Answer: A. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. 10. Who has become the first Indian to be appointed a jury member at the 33rd Summer Olympics 2024 in Paris? A. Bilkis Mir. B. Madhumita Bisht. C. Rajalakshmi Singh. D. Sania Mirza. Answer is A. Bilkis Mir. 11. Who has become the sole Indian weightlifter to qualify for the Paris Olympics 2024? A. Mirabai Chanu. B. Kunjarani Devi. C. Gurdeep Singh. D. Karnam Malleshwari. Answer: A. Mirabai Chanu. 12. Who has been appointed as the flag bearer of the Indian contingent at the Paris Olympics 2024? A. Satyan Nanasekaran. B. Sharat Kamal. C. Ankita Das. D. Soumyajit Ghosh. Answer is B. Sharat Kamal. 13. Who has been selected as torchbearer for the 2024 Paris Olympics? A. Saina Nehwal. B. Neeraj Chopra. C. Abhinav Bindra. D. P.V. Sindhu. Answer is C. Abhinav Bindra. 14. Who recently secured India's 16th quota for the Paris Olympics? A. Rhythm Sangwan. B. Jean Yang. C. Manini Kaushik. D. Yeji Kim. Answer is A. Rhythm Sangwan.